Welcome to Top Facts. This is a Soviet-era 2S4 240mm Tulpan self-propelled heavy mortar operated by a Russian artillery crew assigned to Central Military District. The Tulpan crew are moving fast, racing to take up a new firing position against Ukrainian forces who are occupying a trench network somewhere in the direction of the Ukrainian city of Lyman, Donetsk Oblast. The Russians are conducting shoot and scoot tactics and will continue to target the trench network by moving regularly to avoid Ukrainian forces' counter-fire. The Tulpan firing accuracy, although not particularly accurate, is usually supported by a Russian Central Military District reconnaissance units, who conduct reconnoitre operations by deploying all 10 unmanned aerial vehicles above the Tulpan target areas, feeding back target accuracy and providing adjusted target coordinates to the Tulpan crew. The All-10 can also identify and map new Tulpan firing positions by feeding back safe routes to avoid Ukrainian multi-launch rocket system attacks. The Tulpan crew, now having reached a new firing position, and will once again launch a volley of mortars at Ukrainian positions. They are loading and firing 240mm F864 mortar bombs, a high explosive fragmentation fin stabilised mortar bomb weighing in at a hefty 288 pounds, of which 75 pounds is a high explosive fragmentation payload. The Tulpan uses an M420 gun to fire F864 mortar bombs between 4 and 9 kilometres. The crew can, when available, fire rocket assisted and laser guided mortar munitions up to a distance of 20 kilometres. The shells are stored in 2 automated drum type storage areas. A total of 40 F864 mortar bombs are carried. Due to the large size of the weapon and weight of ammunition, the maximum rate of fire is only 1 round per minute. The M420 gun can be elevated from 45 to 80 degrees, with a maximum elevation allowing F864 mortar bombs, when fired, to drop from the sky directly on top of a target at 90 degrees, reproducing a very similar effect to that of a bomb dropped from an aircraft. The 2S4 240mm Tulpan is the largest mortar system in the world. Its primary role is as a siege weapon. It is an incredibly destructive weapon system, especially when firing an F864 high explosive fragmentation mortar bomb against fortified enemy positions. A F864 mortar bomb will have a blast radius over 1,300 square meters. To inflict maximum damage, artillerymen employ fuses with different time delay depending on the type of fortifications. The armour of this vehicle provides protection against small arms fire and artillery splinters. A 7.62mm gun is mounted over commander's turret for self-defence. The 2S4 Tulpan uses a modified track chassis of Krug surface-to-air missile system. The track chassis is referred to as the Su-100P, which is powered by a front-mounted V59 diesel engine developing 520 horsepower. The Tulpan can reach speeds of 62 km an hour and has an operational range of 420 km. Russian forces have lost over 20 2S4 Tulpan mortars since the start of the Russian invasion of Ukraine in February 2022. Its relatively slow mortar loading, firing rate and its short firing range, especially using F864 mortar bombs, often means crews are firing less than 6 km away from Ukrainian positions, leaving them exposed to Ukrainian counter-fire. It is estimated there may be less than 20 Russian 2S4 Tulpan mortars still operational in eastern Ukraine. Thanks for watching.